And we're back. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Rob Booker, author of Adventures of a Currency Trader, Trading by Faith, and War and Peace, co-written with Leo Tolstoy. No one really knows that. How you doing, everybody? Welcome back. This is episode 2 of Q&A. This is a series of short videos designed to help you with the most common questions that people ask me, and I'm here to help you out. I give tons of information away for free because I love traders. Whether your account is $100 or $100 million, I think that this channel can help you become a better trader because I have no hidden agenda and no ulterior motive. I just want you to be successful, and I want you to enjoy your life. Now, I automate my trading strategies. This goes by the word automation, algo. Some people throw around the word AI, but that's a bunch of BS. And some people, I like to use the word robots also. This means that my trading system runs 24/7 without me watching it. I don't think that people do a better job of trading when they are watching the charts all day or taking discretionary trades. I'm going to say something controversial here, and a lot of people get angry when I say it. I have never met in person, ever. Sorry about that. I have never met a discretionary trader, a retail discretionary trader who trades for a living. I've met professional traders and hedge fund managers and proprietary traders at Wells Fargo and other banks and Deutsche Bank that are professional traders, and they push the buttons and they analyze the charts and they make decisions, and they're trading for a living. But I've never met a trader who trades from home, who is a discretionary trader, who is trading for a living. Let me say that as specifically and honestly and openly as I can. There's nothing for sale on this video. There's nothing for sale below this video. I don't care if you ever give me any money. I hope you don't give me any money. I hope you take everything that I have here for free and you use it to your benefit and you become successful, and that's it. You don't even have to use my name. You can repeat all these things and just repeat them as your own, and I don't care. I just want you to be successful, and I want you to avoid the lies that are out there. I have never met a retail trader in 18 years who plans the trades, opens the charts, pushes the button, who is trading for a living right now. They've done it for 6 months, a year. I've never met one. Not one. Not one options trader, not one famous options trader. None. Zero. Never seen their accounts. I've heard them say they do it. Never seen their trading accounts. Ever. Now, I'm not saying I'm better than them. I'm not saying that at all. In fact, in many cases, I'm worse than the worst discretionary trader in the world. I'm not here to sell anything, so I have no ulterior motive here. I'm just trying to tell you the truth, and I'm trying to counter what is out there on the web. Here's why I automate trading systems. Because robots don't get tired. Robots don't get worried. Robots don't trade off the plan. Robots don't overtrade. They trade just exactly what they're supposed to trade. Robots don't trade too big. They don't make any of these stupid mistakes that I make as a discretionary trader. I was the worst discretionary trader in the world. When I was a discretionary trader managing an $8 million fund as a commodities trading advisor for 4 years, all year long I would lose money. And then in 2 weeks of the year, I would make all of it back and all of my profit, and then I would stop. If it was October, I would stop, if I was a smart person. Why is that? Because most of the time discretionary traders, they make honest psychological mistakes that all of us make, because it's really hard to follow rules unless you were a former Navy SEAL or trained in the art of jiu-jitsu discipline and have read every book Jocko Willink, which you should read, has written. You are just not going to have it in you to be the best discretionary trader in the world, and neither am I. We're not Warren Buffett. Like I said, if you are Warren Buffett's secret love child and you have his DNA and you are able to be a discretionary trader, then you're probably already a professional trader. If you're one of the tiger sharks, right? The tiger babies, the tiger lilies, Julian Robertson's trainees, or Richard Dennis's turtle traders, or you're one of those people, look at the stats on even those people. No matter what you ever read online, you can't even find most of the turtles. The trend traders, the most famous group of trained traders in the world, they couldn't even follow the system. Most of the people in that training program couldn't even follow the rules. They couldn't do it. That's why I automate my strategies. That's why I think that as much as you can automate, as much as you can make work with a robot, you should do. Now, how do you do that? You find a system that works. Remember we talked about focus in lesson 1. You find a system that works, and then you hire a programmer on Upwork.com to automate that system for MT4, MT5, if you're a currency or futures trader for MT5, or for TradeStation securities, not TradeStation by FXCM, TradeStation securities, NinjaTrader 8.0. You get someone to automate that strategy for you so that you can implement it. And it might be semi-automated. It might be trade the entry, but then you step in and trade the exit. And that's a step in the right direction. Automate as much as you can. The 61 traders that I have met in my life that have traded for a living and are still to this day trading enough to not have to work a full-time job, every single one of them is using an automated strategy. Every single one of them. And it's semi-automated in most cases, where the robot does most of the work and then they check on it and they become a manager of assets. Think of this analogy that I use oftentimes. Let's say that you open up a burger joint. Burger joint. You open up a burger joint. There's your sign. There's your burger restaurant. And here's the cars sitting outside, right? A car with 3 wheels. Do you want to be an employee of the burger joint, or do you want to own it? Do you want to make the burgers, or do you want to own the burger joint and manage the employees? When you are a discretionary trader, you are an employee. You sit in front of the computer and you make the burgers. When you are a manager of trading systems that run mostly automated, you are a manager of assets and systems, and you own those and you manage those from place to place. I think I have my smaller trading account open right here. I do. I don't think I put the picture of the burger joint up on the screen, so I'll do that in just a second. So this is the smaller of the 2 accounts, and it just runs a robot, and I check in every day and watch the robot and make sure the robot is doing okay. Here's the burger joint. I drew a picture and you didn't see it. I apologize for that. So you can work inside this burger joint and make the burgers, or you can be an owner. And so what happens is when you become an owner, you are in charge of system 1, system 2, system 3 maybe. And you have 3 trading systems. One's a trend trade, one's a counter trend, and one's a range market situation. And all 3 of those systems are working together to make you money, and you manage those. You step in, you say, how's this one doing? How's this one doing? How's this one doing? And you manage them. And you test them, and you find better financial instruments to trade, and you learn as much as you can about managing those assets. Just like an owner of a restaurant will check in on the employees and check in on the numbers and check in on the sales and check in and step in when something goes wrong to manage the situations that happen. That's what you do as the owner of your burger joint, of your whatever. If you want help managing or creating or doing automated systems, you can go to Upwork.com and ask a programmer to program your favorite system for your favorite platform, or a lot of other places to find contractors. If you are a programmer and you are out for hire and you are willing to work to program stuff, leave a comment below this video on YouTube and say that you're available and people can contact you. That would be awesome. Okay, in the next video, I want to talk to you a little bit about, with so many trading systems out there, how many trading systems should you actually use? We'll be back.